Today it's officially raining days. It's been raining all night, non-stop, and so far all morning. It's gonna be all day today. But it's like now it's almost what 1 o'clock. I decided the rain is tapering. Like right now it's like kind of drizzle, kind of a little bit more than drizzle, light rain. So I decided to come out just to have a walk around the park. I came to this bigger park, because I just love the green hills. Oh, today is actually Chinese New Year's Eve. Yeah, unfortunately it's a raining day. Well, what I got for the plan for Chinese New Year's Eve is I'm going to the park to have my chat, because that's my routine, right? I don't want to skip it, whether I come to the park or not. So, but today I come. Oh, look at this. And my plan today is just go to the park, do my chat, do a little bit of walk, and then go to my gym, have hot sauna. I need to get the humidity out of my body with all this raining. And then after that I'm going to Chinese grocery store. I think lunch 99. Maybe pick out some deli food to go for my Chinese New Year's Eve dinner for myself. Yes. So I'm looking forward to that. But before that, it's a little bit chill. A little bit windy, but not blowing like crazy windy. Just normal rain, wind. Look at how gorgeous the green. It's definitely like those English countryside, or Irish, or Scotland, where the whole UK green is. Yes. And I decided to come here because at this paved road that I can just walk without getting the shoes. Oh, guess who's there? That's my Grace. Oh, I don't think you guys can see it. It's too far. He's just hanging out in the open. I saw her also yesterday. She's been coming to this park like me lately. Yesterday I saw her also. I've been coming to this park every day instead of the other park, because I like this park much bigger, and most people who come to this park usually stay over there where the lake is, do the fishing or picnic, whatever. This park, only people who love hiking will come to this park, because this is where all the trails are. Look at that gorgeous mountain, cloudy with the rain. Oh, look at how beautiful they are. Wow, you put that misted look to it. Yeah, as I was driving towards the mountain, it looked so gorgeous. I said, oh, I want to see the misty rain over the the mountain. Ooh, my throat is giving me guess what? Because before I came, it was raining quite hard, so I said, okay, let me just wait till the rain goes. So I was practicing my karaoke. I'm working on this new song, which is way too high of a key for me, but I just love the song. It's that K-pop Demon Hunter, Golden. I actually use it quite a few times already on my shorts. I use it for the Valentine's one, and I just love that. It's like on the song it's got 2 point something billion views. I like that song because there's no way I can sing it because it's such a high note. Oh, look at that. The cranes. My cranes over there. Oh, the keys are so high. And I like the lyrics, yeah. But the thing is, I like it, the lyrics good, and I also love the upbeat, very upbeat, make you feel like uplifting. I like that, you know. So anytime I think you're in a bad mood, you should just put that song on and listen to it, and then jump. We're up. I like that. Oh, look at my cranes. He just hang up. Look at that. Anyway, so I'm working on that song. Hopefully this coming Friday should be ready for me to do my first test run on it. I don't care that I cannot sing it because it's high. I just put the key. I just sing it lower, A keys lower, so no problem. What's the big deal? Oh, should I go there or not? I don't think I should. Those cows, I think those cows, when they see my orange pen, it get them kind of nervous or trying. So I don't think I should tease them. These are real wild, the free range beef, or not beef, cows, because they are not so used to human. Because if they see the color or move, I remember yesterday when I was videoing them, if I do a few steps, then right away, boom, run away. They easily trigger, so I don't want to take a chance. Because they're already walking towards me a little bit. Anyway, so I just keep going the other way. Look at this. Oh, this is definitely beats to just. Wow, what the hell? It's a piece of big beef bones. Ooh. Okay, now it's hard to get around here. Maybe I can go here. I think it's okay. I can go because I meant to come here because this road is much easier. There's no. Maybe we say hi to the cow. I just walk slowly. If they get me scared, I just turn around. I can just go up here, and I also can go up here and come around there. Just do a big circle around the park. Because this path is much bigger than the other one around the lake. And that is like kind of too small. Maybe I'll go there tomorrow, because tomorrow is the same. Maybe tomorrow I can still come to the park. My dental appointment is like 10 o'clock in the morning. So it should be taking me at the most probably 3 hours long trip. I should be back. Oh, hello. Look at them. Hi guys, I was here yesterday. You guys remember me? It's the same pants. I'm passing by. It's okay. You guys go eat your grass. Bye bye. It's so cute. I just keep steady. No sudden movement. I think that's how they. Oh, okay. They are so adorable. They are so cute. Look at that. They are just so cute the way they look at me. Oh, look at the mountain top. Look at that. Bye bye. See you guys later. I'm coming back down. Ooh, look at how gorgeous that is. Definitely beats staying home. Oh my god. Oh, look at those. It's like this very gentle veil of rain passing through the mountain peaks. Oh, I think that's romantic. Like this white veil lifting from the face, the head of the mountain top. I'm not a poet. Don't know how to describe it. That's how I feel. They're just so nice. I feel all alone. Look at all alone. Pure nature. Oh my god. Oh. See, the thing is, I always, I actually stay in bed in the morning watching the Chinese New Year gala this morning already. Just laying in bed. It's just so nice and cozy. And the sound of the rain, pouring rain, is like I said, oh, don't want to get up. I actually had breakfast. I woke up early, went to bed too early. Wake up early and then have breakfast and then crawl back to bed. I love my bed. It's just a nice little twin bed. I used to have a huge bed, got rid of that. Now I like my little twin bed. It's such a little snug, cozy little space. I just love laying in bed. Leave the TV on. It's just so cozy. I like it. Oh, look at. Oh, look at that. Now my fingers are getting cold. Oh, freezing cold. I have to do this. Keep my exact temperature. Oh, it's cold. It's okay. It won't kill me. Oh, look at this part. Oh, look at that. It's like slowly moving. Because there's no wind right now. Earlier it was a little bit of a wind. Right now there's no wind. Yeah, it was so nice staying in bed, nice and warm. Because my bed, I have an electric blanket, put it under like the bed sheets. I always turn it on before I get in the bed, or not all night, and in the morning when I wake up, I turn it back on, so that the bed is always nice and cozy. The best bed I have. Oh my god, look at that. Yeah, it takes me forever to get out of bed. And then finally about 12:30, 12:30 or so, I see the rain is tapering off. Very light. Like right now, it's just drizzle. I say, okay. I jump out of my bed. Oh, now the clouds are coming. All cover. Look at this valley. Oh, it's such a nice time. Because I know it doesn't matter if I come to this park or the other park, not gonna be many people. But I did see a group of people down in there. They all gather in that big gazebo, the cover one. I think they are doing some kind of gathering. But they are way near the lake, not where I park. Oh, look at this. Oh my God. Oh, so beautiful. Oh my God. Oh. This is a gazelle. Oh my God, so beautiful. This is actually where the cows will spend their night here, I think. This is where they actually sleep here. This is their spot. See cattle grazing. They're all down there. This is definitely my playground. I've been all around. I know all the trails here. Yesterday I was there doing my chatting down there. Right now it's probably too muddy to go on this trail. And over there is my dream house. Oh, I think I'm gonna climb over here. Okay. When it comes to climbing, I'm a monkey. And I love climbing trees. Yeah. That's my dream house. I keep calling it that. Yeah. I think yesterday I was down there. And now it started raining a little bit. Don't you think that's a perfect little house? Look at that. Just tucked in at the foot of the hill, mountain. Down there. Oh. Look at all these dreamy tree, fog, mist. Very misty mountain. Ooh. I'm gonna head back to my car. I can still sit in the car and chat. And where I park is my favorite parking spot, because you look at my car window, the front window, it's pure mountain right in my face. So nice. Look at these cute little flowers. And the cow down there. Ooh. This part is actually kind of private road. So when I get out, I have to climb over the fence again, which is okay. Because I'm not the only person walking on this. I've seen many people do this walk also. Yeah. I think they have it's not private probably, I think it's the state-owned road also, because for all these cattle. See, there's like I cannot give myself an excuse of not walking. It's like no mud whatsoever, but with the perfect view. That's why I like to come here, especially on a raining day. There's nobody, those hang gliding people not here. On a good weather day, yeah, you'll be busy with the hang gliding people. Look at these happy cows. What a life. Oh, I have a good life too. Oh. I'm really happy with my splash pan because they're like, I will just slip it in on with my sweatpants under, and it's so nice and warm and loose fitting. It's so comfortable. And I think the cows like the color. Wow. Look at, have the whole hill this side. Nobody come this side. They're all down there, the lake. I don't go to the lake on this side very much, but I think today I might go because when I was driving to where I park, I see the white pelicans. 4 or 5 of them are just, slowly swimming along the lake. Maybe I go do a video of them. Usually when the park is busy, they're all somewhere hiding. Today they're all out. Oh, I see my car parking right there among the trees. Oh, it feels so good to walk. I felt like being set free from being tight in the home. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love this cloud hanging, the mist hanging around the mountain top. See, there's a way, there's a wheel, there's a way. You want to do a chatting with yourself, you just do it, even on a rainy day. Oh, this beautiful California puppy. There's no sun there, not open. It's the state flower of California. They're gorgeous. You never pick them, not supposed to. This is actually a very perfect weather to walk. I think tomorrow I'm gonna do the same after I come back from my dental. Because this is when there's nobody in the park much. Oh, this puppy is so beautiful. Oh, let's see this pretty snail. Look, he can sense me. He swings back to his snail. It's the little things on a raining day you can notice all these little animals. Hey. Actually, I feel good that I'm learning a new song because I still really, because I haven't done any since the Halloween, I've decided to take a break from not going to karaoke. I have only learned 2 songs so far, so I'm glad I'm back in the learning song business because I really believe it's good for my old brain, my old tongue, because it's same as like if I don't use my tongue talk, it's not good for me either. And especially I don't have a friend to talk on a daily basis, so that's why all these chatting with myself is such a good exercise for my tongue. And now with the karaoke back in my life, it's good. I mean, I'm not gonna be learning song as frequent as I used to. I used to do like every week I would learn 1 song. Now I probably just do new song a month, and then on top of that make all my go-to song more better, refine, fine tuning them better. Yes, that's good enough for me. Sometimes when I'm during this karaoke break, I've been still practicing on my karaoke. Like I would practice mostly. I practice on rapping because rapping is very, very good for how would I say? It's really good for my brain, tongue, and everything because it's so fast. It makes your tongue more flexible. It's a real good exercise, and it's really good for memorizing also. I'm always fascinated by these rappers who can. So one of the KJ that I most enjoy in my venue he is the best rapper. He does Eminem like almost just like that. I watched him do I forgot the name of that, the 6 Minute one by Eminem. Oh wow, it's like memorized the whole thing. To me, that's amazing. Because when you do rapping, you have to memorize it. Without memorizing, it's no way you will get stuck. You memorize it and then it goes. You don't have to look at the lyrics, and it just goes. And then you can keep the rhythm just nice and the flow. Yes. Yeah, I that's why during my not going karaoke time, I've been like practicing on my rapping. I don't have that many rapping songs, but I like to do it because it's so good. For me, it's a training technique it make every song, ballad or whatever, rock and roll, much easier and better. Because rapping is very, very good exercise for when you're doing singing. I really believe that. Happy birds. And then the few rap songs that I'm practicing my tongue on is, like can't remember the name. Something. Oh well. Well, like for example, Bang Bang. Bang Bang has one session by what's her name? Bang Bang, and then Smack That, and then Anaconda, and then Guess by Billie Eilish and Charlie, and then all the popular Best Friend by what do you call that? So their names suddenly get out of my brain. Okay. Now I have to climb again for the fence. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. I'm such an expert. Yeah, so yeah, I'm so glad that karaoke's back. And then just keep me busier than before now. I had to have time for practicing. So today, before I came here, I was practicing on Golden. Man, that song is so addictive to it. Got very catchy rhythm to it. And then it's hard, but I like it so upbeat. I like it, and I think the audience will like it too. Okay, I think that's about it today. Now I'm near the restroom. I'm gonna go to the bathroom, and then after that I go to my car. I'll show you where my car is. See over there? There. Oh, it's raining really hard. Okay. Okay. Happy Chinese New Year.